Welcome to Inspiring China, a channel that brings you insights of technology, business, and lifestyle. Don't forget to click the subscribe and notification button. Share if you like it. Your support is my motivation. Currently, there are 238 airports in China, with increase to 400 by 2035. As compared with the US 5,217 or Canada's 500, there's actually no airport shortages, as China already has an efficient high-speed railway network and highway system. The government strategy is not to congest over the air corridor, especially much of it is dominated by the Air Force. Among the world's top 10 busiest airports, Beijing is second, behind Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport in the US. Shanghai Pudong Airport ranked 8th, and there are more people now taking the high-speed rail due to its punctuality. The route between Beijing and Shanghai, for example, takes just over 2 hours by air and 4.5 hours by high-speed rail. With railway station closer to downtown and without takeoff delay, it is an easy choice. But there are many routes that may not be so straightforward to reach with high-speed rail, which air travel is still a preferred choice. In 2019, the number of air travelers in China grew by 8%. It is estimated that China will overtake the US as the #1 air passenger market in the world by 2025. China estimated to buy 8,600 airplanes in the next 20 years and hire 124,000 pilots during the same period. One might think that is a good business for both Boeing and Airbus selling passenger jets to Chinese airlines. That is true. But China has also built the first passenger jet, C919 and C929, which will rival Boeing and Airbus. How successful this jet's going to be, only time could tell. In the meanwhile, there's also serious pilot shortage. That's why China's pilot salary is the highest in the world, with close to 2,000 foreign pilots hired in the local airlines. Some are paid as much as $300,000 plus perks. For the largest or busiest ports in the world, Shanghai topped the list with a handling of 43 million TEUs in 2019, followed by Singapore, and 7 out of the 10 largest ports are from China. The country is spending close to $1 trillion on its Belt and Road Initiative, or BRI, the biggest infrastructure project in history that looks to connect ports and trade hubs from the Pacific to Northern Europe, as part of its drive towards becoming a trade and commercial powerhouse. China has invested heavily and will continue to do so in automation, technology in ports and terminals. Qingdao Port, Eastern China, is Asia's first fully automated port, holds the global operational efficiency record, with each crane handling more than 30 containers per hour, which means it can upload a cargo ship faster than any port in the world with minimum human intervention. Being fully automated, the port can keep working at night, which means it retains its volume throughput levels at all hours, thanks largely to what has become known as the superbrain, its large computer system. Alongside ports, there's an estimate of around 1,200 shipyards in China producing a wide range of vessel sizes and types. As the world's biggest shipbuilder, which build a small jet foil container ship to large aircraft carriers. In 2020, China State Shipbuilding Corporation has received an order to build 4 of the world's largest container ships with capacity of 24,000 TEU, which is larger than the largest aircraft carrier in the world. The future of smart cities, autonomous driving, IoT, and healthcare depend on a key technology, 5G. From government, industry, and home use, 5G will maintain network connectivity anytime and anywhere, connecting all the devices in the network. In 2021, Chinese operators have already deployed 916,000 5G base stations in the country, accounting for 70% of the world's total. This allows the connectivity of 365 million devices, making up 80% of the world's total. The national goal is to reach 560 million 5G users by 2023. Concrete, steel, and fiber optic cables are the essential building blocks of the economy. Infrastructure enables trade, powers business, connects workers to their jobs, creates opportunities for struggling communities, and protects the nation from an increasingly unpredictable natural environment. Infrastructure is the backbone of a healthy economy, as described by an American think tank, Annual Center for Transportation. While continue building and upgrading China's infrastructure is essential to the country's economic growth, people's livelihood improvement, and positive society changes, the government also needs to strike the balance between investment and return, especially taking consideration of the environmental impact and excessive construction. At this point, the direction certainly looks promising when China transformed the nation to become the most advanced civilization before the halfway mark of 21st century. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments. See you in the next episode.